How to take a screenshot on Dell laptop. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this. Now, let's say you're on a browser or maybe even your desktop, literally anything you're playing or doing on your PC or laptop. All you want to go ahead and do is go over and locate your snipping tool. So mine is right here. And if you can't find it, what you can do is go to search and type it in. And if you still don't see it, what you could go ahead and do is go to your Microsoft Store, go to the very top, and then just search up snipping tool like so. And then it's just going to be here, right here. Obviously, mine's already installed. Once you go ahead and open it up, it's going to look something like this. And what I could do is press the Windows logo key, Shift and S to start a snip. So I can just remember this shortcut. I can have this open in the background, or I don't even have to have it open. And then I can just do Windows key, Shift and S, and that's going to start it. Alternatively, I could go ahead and press new screenshot right here, or Control N. So if I just go ahead and do that, as you can see, I'm now able to take a screenshot. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that.